Okay, in this question, we're asked to find the equation of the normal to the curve. So we've got a curve that looks something like that, and we're trying to find the equation, not just of the tangent, which would go in the same direction as the curve, but the normal, which goes perpendicular to the curve at that point. And what we're going to do is we're going to work out the gradient of the tangent to the curve, which is actually going to be the same as the gradient of the curve at this point, and then we're going to use that to find the gradient of the normal. So if I'm going to find the gradient of the curve, I'm going to find dy by dx. So that's quite straightforward here. Dy by dx, I bring down the 3, write down the x, and subtract 1 from the power, so it becomes 3x squared. 5x just becomes 5 when we differentiate, and the minus 7 will disappear. So if we want to find the gradient of the tangent, I'll use m for gradient and t for tangent. That's going to be at this point here, where x is equal to 1. So all I need to do is put x equals 1 into this. Well, that's just going to be 3 lots of 1 squared plus 5. Well, that's just 3 plus 5, which was equal to 8. Now, to find the gradient of the normal to the curve, that's this one, this is the tangent, and this is the normal, I'm going to use the fact that the two gradients multiplied together, so the gradient of the tangent multiplied by the gradient of the normal, because they're perpendicular to each other, will be minus 1. So the gradient of the normal is going to be minus 1 over the gradient of the tangent. Now the easiest way to do that, in this case it's 8. I'm going to do minus 1 then divided by 8. So the gradient of the normal is minus 1 over 8, or if you like, just minus 1/8. Now I'm asked to find the equation of the normal, and I know that the equation of any straight line, because the normal is a straight line, is going to be y equals mx plus c. And in this case, m is minus 1/8. So here we have y equals minus 1/8 x plus c. And I need to find out what c is, the intercept with the y-axis. Now the easy way to do that is to put this coordinate, the coordinates of this point, into this equation. So the y-coordinate is minus 1, the x-coordinate is 1, so I'm doing minus 1/8 times 1, well that is just minus 1/8, and then that's plus c. To get c on its own then, or to find c, I'm going to add 1/8 to each side, so it's minus 1 plus 1/8, which is going to be minus 7/8. So c is minus 7/8. That means that the equation of the normal is going to be y equals minus 1/8, because it's this, minus 1/8 x minus 7/8 for the intercept. Now you can tidy that up. You could leave it like that, you get full marks, or you can multiply by 8 to tidy up the fractions. So we've got 8y equals minus 1x minus 7, and I probably put everything over on the left here to get x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. So there's the equation of my normal.